Hey there! Welcome back to Rainy Day Mum. It's Kerry's here and we have a delicious and simple cookie recipe for your kids and you to make together for Valentine's Day. So let's get cooking. First, we're going to start with our dry ingredients in a bowl. Don't worry. The full recipe, including a printable recipe card, that is ideal for using with your kids, is linked in the description below. Now, in a separate bowl, you're going to cream together your unsalted butter and sugar. It's best to do this when the butter is at room temperature, as it makes it so much easier. Mix them together until they are light and fluffy. With the butter and sugar creamed, it's time to add eggs, vanilla extract and of course some red food coloring. I use a red gel food coloring. You need just a little and there is no aftertaste. Now to your mixture, add in your dry ingredients and stir together to form your cookie dough. Shape your cookie dough into balls and lay on a lined baking tray. Press your thumb into each and then place in the oven. Once cooked, remove and allow to cool slightly, then place on a wire rack. As the cookies cool, add a small chocolate chip or Hershey Kiss to the top to form your Valentine's cookies. And that's it, your cookies are ready to enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe to Rainy Day Mum. Like this recipe. See you soon for more fun ideas.